Folks, how are you? Hey, are you Canadian? And do you smoke weed? Well, Canadians who smoke legal weed could be banned from the United States for life, according to Newsweek.com. Because, see, Canada's going to they're legalizing recreational weed beginning October 17th, 2018, which we just did here January 1st, 2018. But if you admit to using cannabis, if you admit to using cannabis when asked that question, whether you used it in the United States or in Canada, you could be banned from entering the United States for life. No Disneyland, no Statue of Liberty, no Hollywood, no Austin, Texas, no Memphis. You can't even go to the Iowa State Fair. I mean, think about that. No cow made of butter, no no hot dogs on the Midway in the middle of summer with 100-degree heat and 110% humidity. Look what you're missing. Basically, if you admit to a U.S. border officer at any U.S. port of entry that you have smoked Mary Jane anytime in the past in either country, you will be barred entry for life, according to an immigration lawyer. Now, you can refuse to answer the question, but based on that refusal, American Border Patrol may refuse you entry into the United States for that day and not permanently. I just find this the most ludicrous. Despite the story says, despite the fact that 9 states, including California and the nation's capital, I didn't know that, Washington, D.C., have legalized recreational marijuana, and 29 states have legalized it for medical purposes. Yeah, we know how that goes. How hard is it to get a medical cannabis card? Cannabis remains completely illegal under U.S. federal law. Why? It's ridiculous. Blah, 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 blah. So, the Canadian government has warned citizens that legal cannabis use could still cause problems when traveling abroad. Cannabis is illegal in most countries. Again, why? It's ridiculous. Previous use of cannabis, blah, blah, blah. Previous use of cannabis or any other substance prohibited by local law could result in travelers being denied entries to many countries around the world. Well, okay, but United States? And I mean, first of all, I've lived in Canada. Canadians are some of the nicest, calm, polite people you ever meet. And I know I live there. Two, Canadians that have smoked marijuana are even more mellow. I'm just going by. I assume they are. I haven't met any Canadians that smoke marijuana because it's been a while since I lived there, or it's been a while since I've met any Canadians. But I assume they're even more mellow, more nice, and more polite. What more do you want visiting your country? Come on, Border Patrol. What the heck are you talking about? That's all I got. Talk to you soon.